Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Emby versus Plex versus Jellyfin. These three powerful media server solutions allow you to organize, stream, and share your personal media collection across various devices. We'll explore their core functionalities, unique selling points, and how they stack up against each other. Understanding their differences will help you choose the best platform for your home entertainment needs, whether you prioritize features, cost, or open-source flexibility. When comparing core features, Plex is renowned for its user-friendly interface and broad device support, including smart TVs and gaming consoles. Emby provides excellent live television and digital video recorder functionality, plus advanced parental controls for family viewing. Jellyfin, being open source, offers deep customization and privacy, allowing users full control over their data and server environment without proprietary restrictions. Regarding cost, Plex operates on a freemium model, offering a robust free tier, with a premium Plex Pass unlocking features like mobile sync and hardware transcoding. Emby also has a free server, but many advanced functionalities, such as live TV and offline media, require an Emby Premier subscription. In contrast, Jellyfin stands out as entirely free and open source, providing all its features without any subscription fees, relying on community contributions. In terms of performance and user experience, Plex is often praised for its seamless streaming and polished interface, making it very accessible for new users. Emby delivers reliable performance, particularly with its robust transcoding engine and detailed media library management. Jellyfin, while perhaps requiring a bit more initial setup, offers a highly customizable and private experience, appealing to those who value open-source principles and complete control over their media server.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.